Google Docs also has different ways that you can change the permissions that people are able to see, as well as the sharing. One of the quickest ways to toggle between these different things is to go in the upper right hand corner and change it from editing to suggesting to viewing. If I was to switch it to viewing, this is something where no matter how much I type, no matter how much I do, I can't actually change something. If you're sharing a document in view only, it's probably a good idea to pop that up there and make sure that everything looks exactly the way you want when someone else will be looking at it. Now, if you wanted to go through a document, maybe you were sharing it with someone but they're right next to you, you could just switch it to suggesting. In this case, everything that they do will turn into a suggestion that you can choose to either accept or reject. I'll make some changes right here. And everything that I type is going to show up over here as a suggestion that could be accepted or rejected at a later document. This is sometimes really handy when you want someone to go through and sort of proofread something. I'll add a return here, could go into here. So I'm making little changes here. Could add bold. Maybe another thing I want to do is increase the size. Now, all of these here are different suggestions and different changes that have been made. And if I was to go back to edit, what I can do is I could go through and I could say, I don't think I like this font size here, so I'm going to reject that, and it's going to go back to what it was. But I do like the fact that you added control. So I could do accept that. And if you're looking through this and you see, yep, all these are really good changes, I could go up to Tools, hit Review Suggested Edits, and it's going to pop up this window here. And I can go through the edits one at a time. It's going to sort of toggle through them, and I could choose to either accept them all, reject them all, or I could just preview what it would look like. Hey, here's what it would look like if I accepted every single one of those changes. Here's what would happen if I didn't take a single one of those changes. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to accept all of those changes, and now my document has been modified to what was suggested. And again, if I want to switch back to suggestion, just hit that toggle button right up there.